The secret to earning 60% commissions is not just about finding a product that pays out 60% commissions, but understanding that you need to create content that shows people why they need those products, how those products help them solve the problem that they have. Now, over at Opt-in Monster, SaaS-based products offer affiliate commissions from 20 to 70%. This is a great category, and it's one of my personal favorite niches or group of products to promote because it's very simple to show people how these products actually help them. And you can also niche way down and you can find groups of people like realtors, even people that have offline businesses or other offline businesses besides realtors. Anybody that does business online or anybody that does business offline could use these products if you position them in the right way and you show them how these products work. Now, step back and understanding once you know this, now all you need is a license to print money, which is understanding that you need to create content to show them, to identify the problem, and then show them how to get to the solution. The license to print money comes in the fact that you can actually purchase done for you content. Now, again, like I said, promoting SaaS products is great. And one of the ones that I love to promote, the one that I'm going to be using in 2025 and doing more promotion of by creating helpful content here on YouTube about is System.io. And you can see here that you can earn a lifetime 60% commission, and they've paid over $5 million to their affiliates already. But again, the secret here is creating content. But the real secret is the fact that content is already done for you. Check this out. Click the link in the description. It'll take you over, and there's a bonus page, but it'll take you over to this PLR. That's private label rights content, which is content is done for you about how to build and customize and build better sales funnels, or everything that you need to know about the sales funnel process. And more importantly, when you click the link in the description, I'm going to explain to you how to do the most important thing, the real secret, which is to secure your guide to unlocking 60% commissions with done for you content. There's a bonus here. It's going to be how to use clicks to customers, the PLR that you're going to purchase, specifically how I'm using it for System.io to earn 60% commissions, and how you can follow along, as well as some software that I recommend that makes this process a lot easier or more simple when you have focus on the right tools. And again, all you have to do is click the link in the description. It'll take you over to this bonus page, because what you're doing here is you're picking up this done for you content by clicking this link right here. You're going to go over to the sales page. You're going to pick up a license to this content. And then once you get this content, of course, you're going to take it over to Notebook LM and you're going to utilize the power of AI. And again, the real secret is focus. Focus on learning more about how this product that has a 60% commission, focus on how this product works so you can learn how it works. You can actually use it or do the thing that you want to teach others how to do, which is utilize these products to solve their problem. And then once you load up, and this is the PLR right here, you can see from clicks2customers.pdf, I now own the rights, just like you will when you click the link in the description. You'll own the rights to this content, so you can use this as your own. And here inside of Notebook LM, all you have to do, for example, if you want to learn more about lead magnets, you just simply click this button, and Notebook LM or Google AI underneath inside of Notebook LM will take this source and it will break it down to everything that you need to know about lead magnets. But more importantly, you can then take that conversation and you can break it down to let people know what they need to know. And you can see here that it's popped up. Lead magnets are essential for converting website visitors into qualified leads because they provide something of value in exchange for contact information, usually an email address. Lead magnets can take many forms. You're understanding this. You know that. But at any point, at any time, and this is part of our bonus, I'm going to show you how to break this down even further so you understand that you are delivering the solution to the problem, but you already have the solution in the fact that you bought the rights to this content, so you can literally take this and use it as your own. So if you want to know more about email sequences, you simply just click discuss email sequences right here inside of Notebook LM, and the AI is going to do all the work for you. But really, the work has been done for you when you purchase the done for you content. Again, the link's in the description. They'll take you over. All you need to do is click this green link to secure your step-by-step guide to unlocking 60% commissions with done for you content, which will get you the PLR that you need right here, which is the licensed content, the content that becomes your own. And then my bonuses down here are going to discuss exactly what I'm doing to promote System IO and how you can follow along, as well as some recommended software that is going to simplify the creation of your own unique content and help you build your email list. I'm going to give you those 2 bonuses when you click that link in the description. Click this link, head over to the sales page, purchase it, and then you just bring it back over in a Notebook LM. You load it up as a PDF and you start having this discussion like we're having here. Discuss email sequences, the power of email sequences and automation. You're going to learn more about it yourself. You're going to go out and do it. Then you're going to teach people how they can do it and how they can utilize this tool or these tools, these SaaS-based product tools that pay anywhere from 25 to 70%, but like System IO, guaranteed 60%. You can even just open up a free account and you have instant access to the affiliate program. It's, again, like I said, one of my favorite products to promote in the niche of SaaS or software as a service, essentially website tools or tools that are out there in the cloud that anyone can use to help build their own business online or offline. The tools they need, the information that they need, and you can give it to them now that you can simply just purchase the content that's already been done for you and then use that to learn, use that to go out and do and understand exactly what people need to know about the products that you're promoting, and then teach them. And then give them a link in the description, which is your affiliate link, and then you earn that 60% commission. That's it. The simple secret, link in the description. Check it out. Thanks for watching this one, and I'll talk to you in the next one. Bye.